We're gonna feed you sweet potatoes for the first time.
Is this Lily's first time?
That's it. Whoop. What do you think? What do you think? Here. What do you think?
What a face.
They're making me do this.
Can't be that bad, honey.
They smell pretty bad.
Is it pretty bad? Is it pretty bad?
Mmm. I'm sure sweet potatoes are a big change from the bland cereal.
Ugh. It can't be that
What are
bad.
you doing?
She's like, it's that bad. Ah, you
There's
like
more.
'em.
Look. Hey.
You can't make me.
Look. Boop. Face dye. Face plant.
Mmm, how do they taste up your nose?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh no, we got the baby snorting sweet potatoes.
Me too. She like dove for it. You like it? Oh. Super excited. I think she really likes it.
Do you like 'em?
Mmm. Want some more?
Oh, your poop is gonna be Bengals colors.
Hooray! Nom 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 nom. That was a big bite. She likes it.
You like 'em, honey?
You like it? You think that's good? Here you go. What'd you think?
Move your hand.
Sorry. Here. Give yourself some sweet potatoes. Here.
Did you just get on your eye?
No, you didn't.
Yay!
Almost.
I peed myself.
Come here. Whew. I'm gonna go get a new one.
Forget this spoon.
Alright. Well, that's not it one.
So that was Lily and her first experience with sweet potatoes.
Her first food, really.
She tried to feed herself and she fed her eye pretty well.
She always tries to grab this food.
Hey Lily.
Lily,
Lily. Give me a smile.
you think that was good?
Give her a smile, honey.
Hey. Hey.
Lily.
Bye.
Hey.
Hey, was that good? Was that good? Did you like it?
Hey, baby.
Hey.
Lily. Lily. Hey. I love you.
You like it?
I love you.
Mm.
I love you. Dad loves you.
Did you like your sweet taters?
Hey, Lily. 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 Dad loves you. I love you. I love you. Mm-hmm.
Say hi. Oh, goodness. You just woke up from your nap? Oh.